Cannot ping a Windows 11 machine. I'm trying to ping my Windows 11 machine from a Linux device. Here's what I've tried so far. Disabling Windows Defender Firewall. Enabling inbound rules from the advanced options. Restoring firewall and AMP network settings. Uninstalling VPNs. I'm 99% sure the issue is in the Windows machine since they can both ping the router and I can also successfully ping other Windows devices from Linux. Am I missing something? Edit. I don't think it's a firewall problem since I can't ping my Windows device regardless of the status of the Defender firewall. Edit 2. I don't know if it's related to this problem, but ping to localhost, successful. Ping to 127.0.0.1, general failure. Ping to 192.168.x.x, Windows IP timeout. Ping to 192.168.x.x, other devices successful.
After poking around, I managed to enable ICMP responses on my Windows 11 machine. Open Windows Defender Firewall and select Advanced Settings in the sidebar. Switch to Inbound Rules via the Getting Started page or the sidebar. Find the rule named Core Networking Diagnostics, ICMP Echo Request, ICMP v4, in, with profile of private, public, unless you're on a corporate domain. You can right-click the rule and enable rule. You might also want to do the same for the IPv6 version name, Core Networking Diagnostics, ICMP Echo Request, ICMP v6, in. I don't know why Microsoft decided to disable these by default.
In addition to Morfit's answer, there is an additional option if you want to use file and printer sharing on your network. Check your connection classification, private, public, domain. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on File and Printer Sharing, make sure that you choose correct network profile. This will automatically activate the appropriate rules in Windows Defender Firewall, e.g. file and printer sharing, Echo Request, ICMP v4 in. This will have the same effect as activating the rule Core Networking Diagnostics, ICMP Echo Request, ICMP v4 in, directly. Please note, this will enable people on your LAN to access files and printers if you turned on sharing. If you don't want to use it, go with Morfit's answer.
Look in Start, Settings, Internet, and make sure your connection is set to private. Windows 11 can make Ethernet public, and you need to set this to private. I am on an unsecured network myself right now. Make sure in Advanced Network and Sharing Center that Network Discovery is on for private networks. Windows 11 has made default security more controlled than Windows 10. Check also in Advanced System Properties and turn on Remote Access Connections for this device. Try this, it should not make a difference to ping. Windows Firewall should be default. I make Network Settings, Firewall Settings, and IP addressing to be very much standard or default. Update, as I am back at my Windows 11 Pro machine. I can connect from my Windows 10 machine to my Windows 11 machine and open/copy/paste files. File transfer. I can remote desktop from Windows 10, Windows RDP, to my Windows 11 machine, and that works. So all that I need to do works. I cannot ping my Windows 11 machine even though I can do everything else. To enable ping, open an admin command prompt. Netch add firewall add rule name equals your rule name, protocol equals ICMP4:8. Any dir equals an action equals allow. Enable ping Windows 11. Command to activate ping in Windows 11 CMD. Netch add firewall add rule name equals rule name, protocol equals ICMP4:8. Any dir equals an action equals allow.
Run the following commands in an administrative shell to allow pings through the Windows firewall. IPv4, IPv6,
Do you have custom IP settings? Are Linux device and Win11 machine on the same subnet? If not, make sure the default gateway in Win11 is set correctly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.